अस्सलामुअलैकुम एंड वेलकम टू यस शेफ विद समिया आसिम। आज हमने डिसाइड किया कि आज हमने खाना है पिज़्ज़ा एंड वेयर डू वी गो टू हैव गुड पिज़्ज़ा इन कराची। हमने सुना था कि फेमस ओज बड़ा वहाँ पे उनकी हिट रेसिपीज़ जा रही हैं। दे हैव सो मेनी डिफरेंट फ्लेवर्स, नए नए इंग्रेडिएंट्स डाली हैं एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट देयर रेस्टोरेंट इज़ इंस्पायर्ड बाय न्यूयॉर्क पिज़्ज़ा। तो देखते हैं यहाँ पे कि इनके यहाँ पे न्यूयॉर्क स्टाइल टचेस कहाँ कहाँ आए हुए हैं। इज़ इट जस्ट द एम्बियंस या फिर उनके पिज़्ज़ास के अंदर भी वही फ्लेवर्स, वही लव फॉर पिज़्ज़ा जो है वो ट्रांसलेट होता है। सो लेट्स हैव अ लुक। अभी हमने क्या करना है कि वी आर गोइंग टू हैव टू स्कैन द QR कोड फॉर द मेन्यू। सो लेट्स डू दैट एंड या सो दे हैव अ बिग वैरायटी ऑफ मेन्यू। यहाँ पे इनके पास सैंडविचेस भी हैं, एपेटाइजर्स एंड अ ह्यूज लिस्ट ऑफ पिज़्ज़ास। तो हम लोग पिज़्ज़ास ऑर्डर करेंगे मेरे ख्याल से। लुकिंग एट द मेन्यू के यहाँ पे सिंस चीज़ें अच्छी लग रही हैं, लेट्स हैव अबाउट 3 एपेटाइजर्स, 4 पिज़्ज़ास एंड बस हम लोग हल्का सा लाइट रखेंगे डिज़र्ट्स पे। सो जस्ट 2 डिज़र्ट्स एंड बस। आज ज़्यादा भूख इतनी नहीं है, हम थोड़े से डाइटिंग पे हैं। तो दिस इज़ व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू ऑर्डर। और अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे कि एज़ ऑलवेज जाना है किचन की तरफ। सो लेट्स सी हाउ एवरीथिंग एल्स इज़ मेड एंड जॉइन अस। हम लोग एक ऑर्डर भी प्लेस करते हैं एंड लेट्स हेड इनटू द किचन। सो वेलकम टू द किचन। हमारे साथ यहाँ पे मौजूद हैं द ओ इन फेमस ओज, मिस्टर ओमर। क्या हाल है आपके?
बिल्कुल ठीक, आप कैसे हैं?
अच्छा, ओमर है या उमर है?
उमर है।
ओके शेफ़, जनाब मुझे ये बताइए कि आज यहाँ पे जो शेफ़ हैं ये क्या बना रहे हैं हमारे लिए?
हमारे जो पिज़्ज़ा वाले हैं वो हमारे लिए प्लेन चीज़ ओरिजिनल न्यूयॉर्क स्टाइल पिज़्ज़ा बना रहे हैं।
राइट।
हम इसको हमारा ओरिजिनल कहते हैं, ओरिजिनल, बिकॉज वी फेमस
ओरिजिनल।
सो ही इज मेकिंग, ही इज स्ट्रेचिंग आउट द डो राइट नाउ।
Right.
और ये इसके ऊपर इसके बाद सॉसिंग करेंगे and he's going to put our cheese on top and then he's going to put it on the bacon.
Oh, okay.
जी, so he's spreading out the dough right now. वो भी इसको फैला रहा है। This is called the pizza peel.
Yeah.
And it's a special, made out of special wood that makes it slide
Woo!
smoothly. Yes.
Look at that.
So one of our most experienced pizza makers, Wazy. Now he's just going to put the sauce. So we start in the center. Start with about a ladle and a half. And we हम spiral out करते हैं इसके बाद. So we want a nice even covering. And we also like spiral out in a way where we get even coverage. So this is very important and it takes time to practice and
Yeah.
you know.
Whoa. Gotta give the chef some space.
Yep. Now he's just going to even it out. Make sure we get even coverage.
Okay.
And he's just added the oregano.
Oregano?
Yeah. So
And this
now
is
he's
the
adding the pecorino romano, which is
Right.
an Italian hard
Yes.
sheep's milk cheese, and it gives it a nice tangy flavor. You know, we add it on top of the sauce below the
And
mozzarella.
this is mozzarella.
GA mozzarella. This is shredded mozzarella. We get a whole block and then we grate it thick ourselves.
Okay.
So it's a
तो
specific.
what about the dough? क्या dough आप लोग कहीं से पहले से बनवा कर आते हैं
नहीं,
या
दो
फिर ये आपका
हमारी
खुद की
commissary
रेसिपी
में
है?
बनता है for both branches. मेरी खुद की रेसिपी है. It's people who've taught me techniques and things over the years, how to perfect my dough, and I've kind of been able to apply that. So lucky that I have the formulation that kind of came up with and the mixing methodologies, and we basically do a slow cold fermentation. Takes about 3 days in the fridge before it comes to the shop, and then
Okay.
we use it for
So
another couple
basically
of
यहाँ पे
days.
जो भी हम लोग सारे ingredients हैं, including the yeast and everything, सारी चीज़ें जो हैं वो अंदर डालकर उसके बाद फिर we let it rest for about 3
3
days.
days.
72 hours.
Yeah.
और उसके बाद फिर जो है ये doughs ready होते हैं
Because-
to start baking them or
Baking them.
then they come to your table.
Right, and they're proofed at room temperature for about 2-3 hours before the pizza is even spread out and made that way.
That's why you can see those little bubbles here. और यही चीज़ जो है वो बाद में bake होने के बाद you're gonna have those little lumpy doughs.
Right.
That's not lumpy या फिर imperfection. That is actually a hand tossed pizza.
Now he's going to slide the oven directly onto the brick. The pizza directly onto the brick. That's an expert at work.
Yes. मुझे ये बताइए कि कितने अरसे तक के अंदर ओवन में बेक होगा? About 10-12 minutes?
No, we bake at high temperature, so we usually get shorter bake times, but not
Okay.
too short, so like 7-ish minutes.
7 minutes.
Yeah.
So 7 minutes in the oven.
Right.
And what size pizza is this?
This one was a 20-inch. It's our largest pizza. It's like the kind of pizza size you would find by default in New York City.
सबसे ज़्यादा यही चलता है यहाँ पे?
नहीं, ये कम चलता है क्योंकि ये बड़ी पार्टीज खाती हैं.
Okay.
लेकिन यूजुअली हमारा सबसे ज़्यादा जो चलता है वो 12 इंच या 16 इंच।
ओके, द क्लासिक नॉर्मल पाकिस्तानी स्टाइल के जो पिज़्ज़ास मिलते हैं यहाँ पे, एक सर्टन जो हमारा लार्ज कंसिडर किया जाता है, दैट इज अबाउट 16 इंचेस।
यूजुअली मोस्ट पिज़्ज़रियाज दैट ऑफर लार्ज हियर इज 12 इंचेस।
12
हमारा जो
and then jumbo 16 back.
jumbo is 16 and our jumbo is 20 inches.
20 inches.
Yeah.
So New York pizza जो है उसकी खासियत ये होती है कि भाई they go for the normal classic pizzas, cheese pizzas या फिर pepperoni या मतलब little bit additions.
Right.
पाकिस्तानी जो हमारे preferences होती हैं, that is loaded.
Yeah.
We want chicken, we want onions, we want capsicum, olives,
Jalapenos.
name it. You name it, we
Right,
want it.
right.
Maybe not pineapple yet,
Right.
like we want
Well, you'd be
stuff.
surprised actually. Like a lot of people like pineapple on their pizza.
Not Italians though.
Not Italians.
Umar, talk to me about this pizza. इस pizza का क्या नाम है?
This is one we came up with recently. इस pizza का नाम The New Yorker है. And it's got some classic New York style toppings on it. This one's
got pepperoni.
more. It's got pepperoni, and we use a very special pepperoni that is made in Ohio. It's the same company that's been in business making this pepperoni since 100 years, but they've been making pepperoni since the 70s or 60s.
Halal certified, I
This
assume?
is all ISA hands via ISA certified halal pepperoni. It's a very special beef pepperoni we get from the States, and it adds a lot of flavor, and it's a full fat, all muscle meat, no organ meat pepperoni.
Perfect.
Natural casing. And we make the chicken sausage in house. We use chicken breast and we dice it up and we add some aromatic herbs and some spices and make a nice chicken sausage out of it. Post bake, this pizza is going to get some ricotta on it. We make the ricotta in house as well.
Oh, you make the ricotta
Yeah,
in-house?
it's very easy and it's a nice thing to have on a pizza.
What about the chicken? क्या ये fresh बनाते हैं daily या फिर
बिल्कुल, ये
इसको बना
daily
के रख
fresh
देते हैं
बनता
कुछ?
है. This is made daily fresh in the morning, and then we put it in the chiller so that it can maintain the temperature pre-pizza topping.
All right. So this is also going to be baked for about
This
7
is-
minutes.
Yeah, 7 and a half
7
minutes.
to 8 minutes.
Right. And then this is going to be ready at, we
Okay.
like our pizzas cooked a little more because
Right.
we feel the char adds a lot of like
We'll
flavor.
definitely discuss
Right,
that in
right.
greater detail.
Yeah.
लेकिन time आ गया एक छोटे से break का, कहीं मत जाएगा, and we'll be right back because we have 2 more pizzas and so much other goodness to make. So let's take a short break. Welcome back pizza lovers. हम लोग यहाँ पे 2 pizzas बना चुके हैं and we have 2 more in store for you. कौन से flavors हैं? They're very different. In fact यहाँ पे एक हमें एक green color का भी pizza मिलेगा, तो आइए उसके बारे में भी बात करते हैं. Umar, what are we making right now? Which
So
pizza?
we're going to make this pizza called the Popeye. And it's called Popeye because it's a
Because it's
spinach
spinach.
pizza. And it's actually not a traditional like sauteed spinach pizza. इस पे हम एक cream spinach sauce बनाते हैं
Okay.
in house, and it's a very tasty savory sauce that जो हम इस पिज़्ज़ा के ऊपर प्री बेक डालते हैं
ठीक है.
in swirl, and फिर इसको हम बेक करते हैं, and post bake it gets a nice sprinkling of parmesan, grana padano, and it's ready for serving.
Okay, तो इस पिज़्ज़ा जो है हम लोग यहाँ पे नॉर्मली जब हम लोग पालक वाले पिज़्ज़ा की बात करते हैं, as simple as it is, तो उसके अंदर हम लोग हो सकता है पालक ऊपर से डालना है, थोड़ा सा ब्लांच करके थोड़ा सा पकाकर ऊपर की तरफ डालना है. नहीं, यहाँ पे टोमेटो सॉस नहीं डल रहा है, यहाँ पे पालक का सॉस डल रहा है. उसके ऊपर फिर बेक होने के बाद उसके ऊपर वहाँ पे चीज़ आती है एंड देन वी सर्व इट. तो उसके अंदर चिकन भी नहीं है, कोई
Chicken
वेजिटेबल्स भी
नहीं है.
नहीं है.
This is the plain pizza. Just we wanted the sauce to stand out. See, this was inspired by a pizzeria in Soho. जिसका नाम Lucia's of Soho है. And it's they're been around for a while in one of the neighborhoods of New York, and they recently opened a location that I visited in New York on my last trip. And I had a cream spinach pizza there, and my goal was I got to make something like this.
Nice.
So that was the inspiration for it. So
If
it's
you
just
if
tribute
you
to
haven't
Lucia's.
tried वैसे spinach pizzas, you should definitely give it a try because शुरू में नाम जैसा भी आपको लगे, आप लोग जितनी भी शक्लें बनाएं, it's a really good pizza. Mark my words, ठीक है. और उसके बाद हम लोग बनाएंगे एक पिज़्ज़ा और, which is
So we're going to make the San Gennaro,
San Gennaro.
which is chicken sausage, roasted red peppers, bell peppers, green bell peppers, and onions.
Interesting. Very
Yeah.
different flavors, lots of different flavor profiles, I'm sure. Achha, Umar, one thing I do need to ask. How did you start? How did this famous O's come to be? कहाँ से start किया? What's your journey like?
So my journey started in, I took a trip to New York City for about 6 months in 2012. and you know, I had some career problems. I didn't really have a direction at that point. I was much younger, like 10 years ago, 12 years ago.
Yeah.
And I traveled to New York and I found pizza there through some friends that I made. They inspired me to pursue that. And you know, when I come back to Pakistan, and after a while, I craved New York pizza, and I was like, I can't get this anywhere here. And I started making it for myself, and it turned out to be much better than what I could find in the market. And that was kind of like the start of my journey. I started just making pizza for my friends and family, and then it became like a small delivery business in the basement of my house.
बेसमेंट से स्टार्ट किया था?
जी जी बिल्कुल, क्योंकि मेरे पेरेंट्स बहुत सपोर्टिव और बहुत टॉलरेंट हैं इस मेरी एक्टिविटीज़ के बारे में.
Do they ask you for free pizza?
They don't ask me for free pizza at all actually, but I feel like I should just offer them free pizza all the time because they helped me start the business.
Are they at this point कि like आप बोलें कि अम्मी पापा ये ले पिज़्ज़ा, they're like बस कर दे बस कर दे.
They're tired about doing all the product testing and being my guinea pigs and
oh wow.
yeah. So I think I should spare them testing at this point.
Okay, so let's have a look at this pizza.
Right.
I वैसे when you mentioned कि उसको हम लोग बेस लगाते हैं, I meant कि वहाँ पे proper नीचे एक बेस लग के फिर ऊपर चीज़ आती है. And we've done the opposite.
Yeah. This one is kind of like the upside down of a normal pizza, and it's got a non-conventional sauce on it.
Right.
So like we put cheese.
So does this have butter inside? ताकि जब वो अंदर जाएगा it's gonna melt as well.
So the sauce is part butter, part cream, part spinach, part herbs and spices.
Wow.
And
okay.
It spreads out nicely on the pizza, and we'll get a nice uniform.
Because वही मैं यहाँ पे देख रही थी, the texture, it looks like it has butter involved, and इसलिए जो है इसको आपने ऊपर रख दिया है कि when it bakes, so it's going to spread around everywhere.
Right, and there'll be like a nice savory spinach flavor on the whole pizza.
Lovely. अच्छा मुझे ये बताएं, I've been noticing your pizzas. You have a hand-tossed pizza.
Right.
यहाँ पे पाकिस्तान के अंदर we have pizzerias जहाँ पे हम लोग stuff filling करते हैं, चाहे वो कबाब्स की हो, चाहे वो cheese की हो. Any plans for this sort of innovation in this kitchen?
Not this sort of innovation in the kitchen, but I think we're like more traditional and like to pay tribute to stuff I've had in New York.
Okay.
So I want people to try that.
We're sticking to the classic New York style.
Yeah, that's the theme of Famous Holes. We like to stick to like the traditional New York vibe.
So लेते हैं ज़रा एक दफ़ा और फिर एक छोटा सा break, और break के बाद we'll be making our last pizza और भी बहुत मज़े की बातें करेंगे. Welcome back. हम लोग यहाँ पे we're making the fourth pizza. I'm sure it has a very interesting story, and this story is of a pizza called
San Gennaro.
San Gennaro, and the story goes something like once upon a time.
Once upon a time, I was in Little Italy in New York, and I realized that it was crowded and there was like a festival happening. And on like further trips, I realized that it's a festival called the San Gennaro Festival, which is originates from Naples, Italy, which is the birthplace of modern pizza as we know it. And it's a festival honoring one of their saints. But the thing I like about it most is that they they have a lot of stalls on Mulberry Street and around Little Italy during that time of year, and they're mostly selling sausage, onion, and peppers. And that's a combo that is famous for the San Gennaro, Italian combo that's famous for the San Gennaro Festival. So this one is a chicken sausage that we make in-house. It's roasted red peppers, green bell peppers, and onions, which is the same combo. So I kind of wanted to put the food of the San Gennaro Festival on top of a pizza crust.
Nice.
And that was the inspiration for this one. And I think, it adds a chicken option for people who like chicken sausage instead of beef sausage.
Yes, it's got vegetables as well.
It's got vegetables, it's got meat, it's got everything. It's a nice balanced crusty pizza.
So आगे जाके we'll see more different types of pizzas.
Yes, you will. We plan to do some more interesting toppings over the next few months. And interesting sauces and interesting pizza combinations. And we'll keep coming up with stuff and innovating over time, and bringing
what about
stuff
different branches, expansion to other countries as well?
Yeah, we definitely have that plan, and I think it's time to kind of move towards the expansion for sure. We're aiming for something like that, but I think we're more likely to go towards the international market just because of how things are with the economy right now here. I feel like it's more viable to, go where this is not considered a niche product, where it has more offtake. So I think my personal goal is to start expanding overseas and
Alright.
then slowly come back to
So
local
शेफ
market.
हमारे लिए फिर वेट कर रहे हैं कि हम लोग थोड़ी सी जगह दें तो he can go into the
बिल्कुल।
oven. 4 pizzas will be done. उसके बाद फिर हमने खास परमिशन दी है कि I can make another pizza. I think I will make the original one because that's personally my favorite kind of
Classic
pizza
New
as well,
York,
the
yeah.
classic New York. तो वो बनाते हैं and मिलते हैं ज़रा आप लोगों से 2 मिनट के अंदर while I go and get ready. Ta-da! We have the dough ready और अब मुझे शेफ उमर बताएंगे कि आगे क्या क्या करना है.
So हम एक काम करते हैं, पहले हम इसको आहिस्ता आहिस्ता जेंटली इसको उससे निकाल लेते हैं from the dough pan. और फिर मैं थोड़ा सा फ्लावर लूँगा.
Okay.
I'm going to sprinkle it evenly and not too much. I'm going to put this over here. थोड़ा सा फ्लावर ऊपर से लेके इसको हमने फ्लावर किया.
सही है.
Now, really, the goal is to get the gas from the center of the pizza.
Ooh,
towards
look
the
at
edges.
that.
Yeah, it's nice and bubbly and airy,
Yes.
right? We want to preserve all that gas. We want to get it out to the edges, but not completely out of the dough. So we're just going to take our fingers and gently, and that's okay if you have a bubble or so, just pop it. And you
Beauty.
just spread it out.
Look at
Yeah,
this
that's great.
gorgeous. Wow.
That's
Love
great.
it.
Well, that's a sign of good fermentation, and that the dough has proofed well. So we want all that gas to be retained in the dough. I'm going to take the pizza onto my knuckles, right? Just onto my knuckle line, and I'm going to take it and move it like this. See that? I'm just rotating it.
I think मैं इसको उल्टा करूँगी because this is easier for me.
Ah, that can also be done. The direction's not a problem. And once you do that, you're going to start spreading it out. So gravity
Yeah,
is
that's
doing
right.
most of the work right now. And we're just spreading it out evenly.
Okay, can you toss it?
I can toss it, yeah. I messed it up.
It's okay.
But
I'm gonna
yeah,
try.
they're better.
Can I try?
definitely. Yes, you should try. So use your you just slip your hands over, toss it like right. But you did a better job than I did. Just
किसी को कुछ नहीं पता.
Patch that hole up like that, and that's good. You're good to go. So
I did it. शायद
Okay.
इतनी खुशी वहाँ पे स्टूडियो में कुछ बनाते हुए नहीं.
So we're gonna do the same thing with the pizza peel. We're gonna take a
Okay.
little bit of flour.
सही है.
Just add not too much, just a little bit, and put your pizza dough onto the pizza peel.
So do I just slide it on या
Right.
फिर उठाना?
Just put it on. Put it up. Take it on your knuckles or however you want, and just put it on the pizza peel. And now make sure that you close these tiny holes
Yeah.
so that your pizza doesn't leak onto the oven hearth.
Oh, okay.
And so
तो
we
ये
just want these. Yeah, that's fine. It's a good spread.
फिर इसके ऊपर आएगा the tomato paste.
Right. The tomato sauce, and I'm gonna take you here. Grab a ladleful. I think that should be good.
That one?
Yeah, maybe you need 2 ladles. Just see it, improvise a little bit, and yeah,
Okay.
just get that close.
I'm gonna just
Put it in the center.
put it on the center.
Yeah.
Do I need a little bit more?
I think you can use a little bit more. Yeah,
A little bit more.
Yeah.
और इसके बाद इसको साइड पे रख देते हैं ताकि we can show everybody how
that's
we're
good.
doing
Yeah,
it.
and now just use the edge of your ladle to spread it out.
And
Yeah,
just
I would say it'll be more easily controllable if you hold it from the center of the spoon,
like this.
like this.
Oh,
Yeah.
then we go counterclockwise, just like how we saw the chef do it.
Right.
Or is that good?
That's good.
That's good.
That's good. And we're going to put some oregano on there. So there's some oregano in this box. Try and pinch the oregano between your fingers when you...
To release the
Yeah,
flavor.
to release the flavor.
Yep.
Release the oils, and that adds a lot more
Yes.
aromatic to it.
Sahi.
Yeah, that's good. This is finely grated pecorino romano. Don't be conservative with it. Use as much of it as you want.
I just want to show the camera कि ये वाली चीज़ है. It's super soft. यहाँ पे बिल्कुल ही like कहते हैं ना कि आइस की शेविंग जिस तरह होती है. It's that fine and बिल्कुल hair like slight fur type. और इसको हम लोग हाथों से जो थोड़े बड़े चम्प्स आ रहे हैं, the lumps, उनको हम लोग हाथ से तोड़ रहे हैं. This is it. Pecorino Romano यहाँ पर आ गया है, and then we have time for the mozzarella.
Yeah, now it's time for the grated mozzarella.
Grated
Shredded
mozzarella. The great mozzarella.
We're going to take a couple of handsful and spread it with, you can just spread that between both your hands and...
Yeah. थोड़ा सा इधर, थोड़ा सा इधर.
Yeah, I'd say that's good.
Yeah?
Yep.
So do you just add this randomly या फिर
Yeah,
इसको कोई
just
ना कोई-
randomly. I say like make it rain.
Make it rain.
Because if it falls randomly, it gives a more natural look to it. I feel that makes a difference. It's like the tiny details that
Okay.
I'm nerdy about.
We're gonna do something a little bit different. You know what's my favorite letter in the alphabet?
What's that?
The letter S.
How so?
Because मेरा नाम समिया है.
Ah, of course.
So one giant S for me.
Right.
Okay. तो अब इसको हमने oven में डालना है, right?
So oven में डालने से पहले हम इसको थोड़ा सा stretch देंगे. You just
Okay.
grab it, stretch it towards the edges.
Why the stretch? ये क्यों किया
Why
जाता
the
है?
stretch? So we make sure firstly it doesn't stick to the peel when we put it in because this is a wooden peel.
सही.
And sometimes the sauce will seep through the crust so
Sahi.
that it'll sink into the base
ठीक
and then
है.
it'll get stuck sometimes. So you leave it there for a bit.
तो oven में bake होते वक्त भी it's not gonna slide out.
It's
ऐसे?
not, no, oven
Okay.
में bake होते हुए it's not going to slide out. So really kind of, you want
kind
to
of
put
stuck
it in.
here, right?
It's not stuck.
No?
It's,
Oh,
yeah,
it
yeah.
came undone. Okay. चलो जी oven को खोलते हैं and let's
Do you want
add
me to
our.
put it in the oven or do you want to put it in?
Can I?
Yeah, sure. Just slide it in and pull it out.
तो हम लोग यहाँ पे डाल रहे हैं हमारा 16-inch S shaped pepperoni pizza
Nicely done.
and that's it. अब oven बंद कर दें.
Oven बंद कर दें.
Let's close the oven. And we're done! Yay! So we're done और अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे? We're gonna wait 8 more minutes जब तक हम लोग जाएंगे अपनी टेबल पे for the final part of our show which is the dining scene. और dining के लिए आके हम लोग वहाँ पे अपनी सारी चीज़ें सेटअप करेंगे. Let's time to remove the gloves and head on over to the dining area. तो पहले what do you recommend? किससे
I
start
say start with
the original.
always the original.
Okay, so एक सेकंड जरा मैं उठाकर दिखाना चाहूँगी. The size of this pizza slice. This is the side. और ये अच्छा खासा बड़ा है and I don't think I need a fork and knife to eat it.
No, I would recommend like
Straight up.
doing the
Okay.
New York fold, yeah.
This is by the way the New York fold. because पे ये उठा रहता है और गिरता नहीं है. Otherwise ये होता है. Classic, traditional, simple flavor.
Yep.
लेकिन no doubt very nice. यहाँ पे cheese बहुत अच्छे से flavored है. The sauce it's so good. You can feel the freshness. और साथ ही साथ यहाँ पे जो हमारी bread है basically, ये जो हमने बनाई थी, it's crispy, it's crunchy. मतलब this is crunchy. और इसके बाद फिर यहाँ पे जो हमने जो यहाँ पे yeast के जैसे वो जो air pockets बनती हैं वो भी है. So this is a hand tossed pizza. और इनफैक्ट बहुत सारे लोग शायद ये भी कहते होंगे कि ये पार्ट जो है आई डोंट नो इफ वहाँ पे है या नहीं कि ये पार्ट जली हुई है. इट्स नॉट द केस. कभी कोई भी आया है जिसने कहा है कि मुझे इससे भी ज़्यादा डार्क चाहिए.
कम लोग आते हैं मगर we definitely have a clientele जो हमसे crispy और charred pizza
Okay, let's try the San Gennaro. ये नाम था
Let's
इसका.
move it here.
Okay.
Grab a slice.
Let's grab a slice, nice crispy edge,
Yep.
thin pizza. And इसके अंदर हमने sausages डाले थे.
Chicken
and then
sausage, roasted red peppers, bell peppers, and onions.
Smells a lot like the bell peppers and onions. Little less from the sausages. Again, let's have a try. Nice. So it's basically the classic pizza, लेकिन उसके ऊपर हल्का सा sausage आ रहा है.
Yeah, chicken sausage and peppers and onions. So it gives a nice. It's a you've got some vegetable option on the pizza, and the sausage is a nice like.
The sausage changes the taste.
Yeah.
हालांकि उसी के ऊपर हल्के से हमने peppers डाल दिए हैं, chicken sausage डाला है, but the taste is very different.
Yeah.
Really good pizza.
Yeah.
This, if I have give this one a 10 out of 10, this would be a 9.
Right.
क्योंकि मुझे bell peppers वैसे इतना ज़्यादा नहीं पसंद on my
Right.
pizza, but the taste is very different. It's very well balanced. और उसका peppery taste बहुत अच्छा आ रहा है, which gives a very nice aftertaste as well.
Yep.
But a very good pizza. अब हम लोग try करेंगे the next two pizzas, which were the New Yorker and the
But
Popeye. The Popeye.
We've got the Popeye, which is our cream spinach pizza, and this one is it's got a post bake like Parmesan sprinkling on it.
All
This
right.
one should have it's mild in flavor, but it's got like spinach, warm
All right.
hearty spinach flavor to it.
And this is the New Yorker with pepperoni, the sausage, and the ricotta cheese.
Right.
Let's try with this
Sure,
and then end on
yeah.
that one.
Yeah.
How about that?
Sure, sounds good.
comparatively, this looks like a smaller slice.
Right.
Okay. And plus the tip has like everything on it.
Yep.
So that's one big bite though. Okay. Same crust as always. It
Same
looks
crust.
delicious, and let's give it a shot.
Yep.
Okay. You get an extra creaminess
From the ricotta.
ricotta.
Right. And there's savoriness from the sausage, and then a lot of like smoky flavor from the pepperoni.
That's true.
I think the contrast plays off.
And then the
really nice.
pepperoni is a little crispy.
Yeah.
तो उसका भी हल्का सा crunch, crisp
Yeah,
element
yeah,
आता है.
yeah. I really like
Really
crispy
nice.
pepperoni.
And last but not the least, how much do you think I would rate this out of?
The Popeye or
The Popeye.
The Popeye. I'd be interested to see because it's a bit of an unconventional pizza. It's slightly mild in flavor and texture,
Ooh, okay.
but like it's got a lot of parmesan on it, and the flavor of the
It's a
spinach
little
is-
bit hot, लेकिन
Yeah.
क्योंकि इसके अंदर यहाँ पे हमने बटर के साथ सारी उसकी वो ड्रिजलिंग करी थी, ऑल द सर्कुलर मोशन में हमने बनाया था, उसकी वजह से वो बेसिकली जब वो ओवन के अंदर गया है तो वो सारी फिलिंग अंदर बैठ गई है, बट द बटर हैज़ कम आउट ऑन टॉप व्हिच इज़ व्हाट्स गिविंग इट द शाइनी ग्लेज. थैंक यू. एंड इसके ऊपर यहाँ पे नीचे की तरफ मोज़रेला चीज़ है, ऊपर
Mozzarella
की
cheese.
तरफ जो है वो
Parmesan, grana padano, yeah.
Parmesan cheese है, and yeah, let's give it a shot. Let's try what this is like. Oh, इसके अंदर हालांकि कोई भी vegetables नहीं है. No chicken, no pepperoni.
No toppings as such, but it's got its own flavor going. I feel, you know.
From the spinach उसका एक earthy flavor आ रहा है, थोड़ा सा वो green color का aftermath है, लेकिन the flavor is not strong. बहुत mild सा है, हल्का सा इसका एक cheesy aftertaste आता है, and the butter on top makes it extra moist and tasty. This is a solid 10.
Oh, you like it? Okay,
I
great.
love it. This is equivalent to the original we had.
Oh, great, great.
This is like another 9.
Okay, so it's interesting that you like the more unconventional spinach pizza more than the, you know.
This is good, but then this
Yeah.
one is very different. कुछ ना
Right,
कुछ
right.
नए फ्लेवर के साथ एक्सपेरिमेंट किया गया है, and it did not disappoint. मतलब ऐसा
Right.
नहीं है कि सब पार फ्लेवर से या फिर वो इतना समझ नहीं आया. And so amazing on the pizzas. आप लोगों ने ज़रूर यहाँ पे आगे ट्राई करना है. Moving on to the final course, which is the desserts. Desserts करते हैं, and then we'll be done with our day.
So this is our skillet cookie with ice cream. Just try not to touch the skillet because it's very hot.
Okay.
It's just fresh out of the oven. We make the cookie in house. It's got Callebaut chocolate chips, like
Oh,
genuine-
Callebaut is very nice.
Yeah,
yes.
yeah, and yeah,
Top quality. और साथ ही साथ यहाँ पे हमारे पास आइसक्रीम है, ऊपर चॉकलेट सिरप
Chocolate sauce, yeah.
homemade,
This is
in-house?
made by my aunt.
Oh, that is so sweet.
So she makes this for us. She's a baker, and we buy the sauce from her.
Okay, मैं सिर्फ जरा कुकी को हल्का सा तोड़ना चाह रही हूँ because I really love cookies and a good cookie is hard to come by. This is very soft and there's a chocolatey है, gooey है. I'm gonna have it with the ice cream.
Yep.
So
Thank you.
यहाँ पे we have to eat this first क्योंकि वरना आइसक्रीम सारी पिघल जाएगी. But it's very hot और यहाँ पे जो है we have everything in one: the chocolate sauce, the ice cream, the cookie, the chocolate chip cookie, and इसको try करते हैं. The cookie is amazing.
Thank you.
Phenomenal.
Thank you.
अंदर की तरफ से soft and gooey, बहुत rich, chocolatey, लेकिन बाहर की तरफ से it's got that nice little crisp, एक crunch है, so you get both of those textures
You
and
get the texture to play, and also I feel like the temperature difference between the really cold ice cream and the really hot cookie plays off as a nice contrast.
it
so-
does, क्योंकि जैसे आप उसको अंदर लेते हैं, you can press it with your tongue and दोनों चीज़ें smoothly, you know.
It's the perfect
Yeah.
temperature.
Really good combination, and it doesn't matter if क्या price है, this is something I would order again. This is so good. Okay, let's try the second dessert
Yeah,
now.
this is zeppoli. It's like fried dough ball.
Okay.
Fried dough
I don't
balls.
think I need a spoon for this.
No, just pick it up with your hands. That's the way to do
Okay.
it. If you want, yeah. And then we have Nutella and powdered sugar on
Nutella,
this.
powdered sugar, and ये dough balls हैं.
Yep,
the
it's the same dough we use for our pizza. When you fry it, it
Okay.
becomes really good. This is like a Neapolitan dessert.
This reminds me of something called beignets.
Right, yeah,
है ना?
yeah.
थोड़ा सा shoe pastry के साथ
Absolutely.
बनता
These
है.
are like
and-
mini beignet-ish
Okay,
kind of
so
things.
beignets वैसे अंदर की तरफ से हल्के से hollow भी होते हैं. Some variations are. अंदर की तरफ से मैं दिखाना चाह रही हूँ कि like
Nice and chewy.
नाइस एंड chewy, अंदर की तरफ से hollow नहीं है. It's got the dough. The dough itself not sweet. जो sweetness आ रही है वो जो हमारी chocolate hazelnut spread है ऊपर वो है, and the powdered sugar. डिपेंडिंग आपको कितना स्वीट चाहिए आप उतना ही ज़्यादा बढ़ा दें उतना कम कर दें. सो बेसिकली अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट पीपल कैन हैव इट. और वो फरमाइश डाल दें कि अपनी कि मैं एक्स्ट्रा शुगर ही चाहिए या
it's not too sweet, so if somebody asks for like extra Nutella, we'll do it for them. It's not a problem.
Next one, we have the drinks.
Yep. So we have our drinks which we recently launched about a couple of months ago, and this is our strawberry mint chiller, and this is our lemon mint chiller. Both my personal favorites off the menu.
Okay.
And you can contrast and see which one you prefer.
Okay. So this is the classic mint cooler और ये जो है strawberry mint है, right?
Yep.
तो इसके अंदर how did you get strawberries? हालांकि it's not in season right now.
So we have this local company that is based in Karachi. They provide us with strawberry pulp, and they do this locally. And it's all fruit. It's like no added sugars or anything. It's like just fruit sugars. So we found like a good natural pulp company that gives us the right kind of pulp for our drinks.
So this is very refreshing. थोड़ा सा sweeter की side पे है, but the mint and lemon जो है उसको थोड़ा सा tangy बनाते हैं. So you have a sweet and tangy drink. और ये जो है ये classic हमारा है the
lemon mint chiller, which is like a mint lemonade, but
which is a mint lemonade, yes. और ये हर restaurant में मिलता है. Almost I think every restaurant.
It's a must have.
It's a very popular drink. Minty, lemony, very क्योंकि it's a cooler, it's got a lot of ice in it, very refreshing, and आजकल के मौसम के हिसाब से it's really nice. Thank you so much Umar, thank you Famous O's, and आप लोगों के लिए एक खास मैसेज है कि Famous O's आए. If you want to try pizza लेकिन with a different flavor profile, something जो आपको कराची में शायद इतना ना मिले, and you want to have that taste of the New York style pizza along with the ambience, the music, the layout and everything, तो यहाँ पे ज़रूर आए. 2 ब्रांचेस हैं, एक डिफेंस में है और एक यहाँ पे KDM में है, Scheme 1. So definitely do come try, and इंशाल्लाह फिर इसी तरह हम लोग अगले दिन फिर वापस आएंगे with more recipes. Indoor भी हमारे जो स्टूडियो के अंदर है, हमारे पास कुछ outdoor shoots भी होती हैं. So keep watching Yes Chef with Samia Asim only on Dawn News.